Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming requirements and assembling documents so you don't stall later. Once you have passport scans, a clear photo, and local ID, create your Akshay Visa account and enable two-factor authentication. This secures your access. Next, link a payment method and check currency conversion if paying from another country. Doing these first steps ensures your application moves straight into verification without repeated uploads or delays, and it reduces the chance of fear-related rejections. You now complete the detailed application fields. Enter your travel dates, purpose, and contact info carefully. Typos create rework. Once done, upload each document in the required format and size. Make sure images are legible and match form entries. Then pay the Visa fee and keep the transaction ID. This accelerates support if needed. After payment, confirm email and SMS notifications so you receive verification requests or supplement notices immediately, which prevents avoidable processing delays. You finish by confirming approval, downloading the Visa PDF, and saving both digital and printed copies for travel. Always check expiration and name spelling. Make sure to activate any linked travel card or mobile pass and add meeting slots or appointments if required. If something goes wrong, denial or missing approval, request the specific reason immediately, upload corrected documents, and reference your transaction ID when contacting support. Acting promptly and providing exact fixes usually resolves most issues within one review cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.